Hello everyone, how are you guys? Yeah, my name is Judy, Nintendo C. Today, I saw some comments on the video. Should I choose a wooden box or flat case box? In our company, there are two ways. One is wooden box and the other is our flat case. Yes. Okay, the way you package depends on the environment you are using. And the wooden box packages are the traditional and a common way of package, suitable for one-time transportation or fixed installation of LED screen. Okay, and they provide a good protection, yeah, and effectively for prevent damage during your transportation. Okay, and the wooden box may be the more economic and convenient option. Let's go. This is another one. We call this one in flat case. Yeah, flat case. And it's usually made of lightweight and durable material. Yeah, and can use it multiple times. They are suitable for LED screen and for 4 pieces, 8 pieces can be used in here. Yes, as a require frequent disassembly and installation such as stager screen or constant screen. Yeah, an advantage of this one is that can provide a longer protection and can save cost for long-term use. Okay, if it were you, this one or this one, which package method would you choose? Let me know in the comments. See you next video. Bye bye.